So next question is question number 12. So question number 12 is this: sine square 6x minus sine square 4x is equal to sine 2x sine 10x. Now a square minus b square is what? A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b, right? So similarly we can say this as sine 6x minus sine 4x sine 6x plus sine 4x, right? Now this is LHS. Now sine A minus sine B. So sine A minus sine B is 2 cos A plus B upon 2. So 6x plus 4x upon 2. Sine A minus B upon 2. Sine 6x minus 4x upon 2. Right. Similarly, sine A plus sine B is 2 sine A plus B upon 2, 6x plus 4x upon 2, cos A minus B upon 2, 6x minus 4x upon 2, right? So now 2 cos 10x upon 2 is 5x, sine 6 minus 4 is 2x, 2x upon 2 is sine x, multiply by 2 sine 5x cos x, right? So 2 sine 5x sine x. Okay, now what do we have here? This is what 2 multiply by 2 sine 5x, 2 sine 5x cos 5x, right? Similarly 2 sine x cos x. Now using the identity 2 sine A cos B is equal to sine A plus B, and 2 sine A cos B again sine A plus B. So sine A plus B, sine 2A is equal to, using this identity, sine 2A is equal to 2 sine A cos A, right? So using this identity we can say 2 sine A cos A is equal to sine 2A, so sine 2 bracket 5x. Similarly from here also sine 2x, so this will be sine 10x sine 2x, which is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. So which identity we have used in this? Here firstly in the starting we have used sine A minus sine B is equal to 2 cos A plus B upon 2 sine A minus B upon 2. Similarly we have used sine A plus sine B is equal to 2 sine A plus B upon 2 cos A minus B upon 2, right? So this may sound a bit confusing, but we can easily do it once we'll start the procedure. So just note down this procedure, right? Okay, so next question number 13th. So question number 13th we have cos square, same, this question is exactly same. So cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is equal to sine 4x sine 8x, right? So here we have cos A minus A square minus B square is A minus B, A plus B, right? LHS. Using identity A square minus B square is equal to A minus B, A plus B, right? So cos square 2x minus this cos 2x minus cos 6x, cos 2x plus cos 6x. Now we know that cos of A minus cos B is equal to minus 2 sine. So here we can say minus 2 sine A plus B upon 2. So 2x plus 6x upon 2 sine a minus b upon 2, sine 2x minus 6x upon 2, right? Similarly, cos a plus cos b is 2 cos a plus b upon 2, cos 2x plus 6x upon 2, cos 2x minus 6x upon 2, right? So this will be minus 2 sine 8x upon 2 is sine 4x, sine 2x minus 6x is equal to what? Sine of minus 4x upon 2, sine minus 2x, right? Similarly, 2 cos 8x upon 2 is cos 4x. Similarly, cos 2x minus 6x is cos minus 4x upon 2 minus 2x, right? Now this will be minus 2 sine 4x, this is minus sine 2x, because in fourth quadrant sine is negative. Similarly, 2 cos 4x and cos 2x, because in fourth quadrant cos is positive, right? So let's do it further. These questions are quite time taking, but just go through this procedure. Minus minus plus 2 sine 4x cos 4x and 2 sine 2x cos 2x, right? Now using this identity, 2 sine a cos b is equal to sine 2a, right? Sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a cos b, sorry, 2 sine a cos a, right? So using this identity we can say this as sine 2 bracket 4x sine 2 bracket 2x, right? Or we can say sine 8x multiplied by sine 4x. So sine 8x sine 4x, this we have to prove, so which is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. So just go through this procedure again so that you will be able to understand. So wherever we have used the identity, I have written the identity also. So just try to put the values into it and don't get confused, right? So in this way we have done the question. Okay, let's move on to next question, question number 14th. So question number 14th is, okay, so this is question number 14. So sine 2x